Magandang buhay everyone! We are the Group 3 and we're here to inform you all about the lesson we've learned in the topic political and legal aspect. I am a part of Group 3, the first speaker for today. In political law, I learned that it is a branch of law which deals with the organization and operation of the governmental organs of the state and defines the relation of the state with the inhabitants of its territory. There are 4 elements of state including population, territory, sovereignty, and government. There are also 3 branches of government. It consists of executive, legislative, and judicial.
Political law also includes a range of legal topics pertaining to administrative rules, constitutional doctrines, and governmental frameworks. The goals of labor laws are to uphold equitable procedures and safeguard employees' rights throughout the job relationship. Both fields are essential to preserving responsibility, justice, and order in society. They offer the legislative foundation for governance and labor rights protection.
The Constitution of 1987 contains the foundational laws of the Philippines. It lays out the structure, rules, duties, and roles of the Philippine government. It contains the Bill of Rights, Item 3, which delineates the obligation of the state to safeguard and promote social justice and human rights, Article 8. The 1987 Constitution established a representative democracy with power divided among 3 separate and independent branches of the government: the executive, a bicameral legislature, and judiciary.
To sum up, political laws play a significant role in the shaping the trajectory of the tourism sector. While political instability may deter travelers, political stability fosters an environment that is favorable to the growth of tourism. Visa requirements, safety measures, and infrastructure all affect a destination's appeal. Furthermore, environmental regulations protect natural attractions and safety standards ensure the safety of tourists. Let's proceed to labor law. Ms. Peteza, you can now take action.
The lesson that I learned in labor law usually learn about the regulations and principles that govern the relationship between the employers and employees. It covers topics such as employment contracts, working conditions, wages, benefit, and worker protection and rights. Understanding the employment law helps to ensure your fair treatment, safety, and proper procedure in workplace.
According to Article 99 Presidential Decree 442, agricultural and non-agricultural employees and workers in each and every region of the country shall be determined by the Commission in order to provide workers with just pay. The law establishes minimum wage rate for the various areas and industries.
Under the Labor Code of the Philippines, first is Article number 3, Section 1 of the 1987 Constitution, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Second, Presidential Decree number 442, a decree instituting a labor code, thereby revising and consolidating labor and social laws to afford the protection to labor.
The Philippine Labor Code is instrumental in the tourism sector by enforcing critical guidelines and safeguards for laborers. It guarantees that workers in tourism-centric businesses are accorded equitable conditions encompassing appropriate compensation, work schedules, and entitlements. By advocating for the rights of workers and fostering secure and fair employment environments, the Labor Code aids in nurturing a sustainable and prosperous tourism industry in the Philippines. It lays down a base of equity and security for workers, pivotal for sustaining a constructive and efficient labor force in the tourism sector.
Once again, we are the Group 3, and that's the end of our combination of valuable attribute and knowledge.